Silence exploded in the courtroom. Every eye snapped toward the judge as his gavel slammed down, and his voice dripped with sarcasm. Standing before him was a black teenager in a worn suit, barely 18, accused of representing himself in a serious legal hearing. The judge smirked, leaning back in his chair. "Son, this is a courtroom, not a classroom debate club," he mocked. Laughter rippled through the gallery. The teen lowered his head, gripping a thin folder. His name was Marcus Reed. To everyone in that room, he looked out of place. Too young, too calm, too confident for someone with no visible lawyer beside him. The judge continued, humbling him publicly. "Do you even understand the charges? Or are you here to waste the court's time?" The words cut deep. Marcus took a slow breath, then looked up. "Your Honor," he said calmly. "With respect, the prosecution has already violated Rule 16 by withholding exculpatory evidence." The courtroom froze. The prosecutor frowned. The judge scoffed. "That's a bold claim for a child." Marcus opened his folder and began speaking. Clearly, precisely, citing case law, statutes, and precedents most attorneys struggle to remember. One by one, he dismantled the prosecution's argument, exposing contradictions, illegal search procedures, and false testimony. Whispers filled the room. The judge's smile vanished. Then came the turning point. Marcus paused and said, "Your Honor, before continuing, I need to clarify something." He reached into his folder and placed a document on the podium. "I am not just a defendant. I passed the bar exam at 16. This case is a test." Gasps echoed through the courtroom. The judge leaned forward, stunned. Court records were pulled. Credentials verified. It was true. Marcus Reed was a certified legal prodigy, one of the youngest licensed attorneys in the state. He had intentionally taken this case to expose systemic bias and misconduct. The room that once laughed now sat in shame. The judge cleared his throat, voice quieter than before. "Proceed, counselor." Marcus finished with one final blow, filing a motion that not only dismissed the charges but triggered an investigation into the prosecution itself. As the gavel fell for the last time, the truth was undeniable. The teen who was humiliated was never weak. He was brilliant, and the courtroom would never forget the day arrogance underestimated genius. If this story moved you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because you never know whose life can change in a single moment.